Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another video of 11 Plus Maths Revision Guide. Today we're tackling um, money. So we'll start. So which is this one here. So it's probably a short lesson. So let's spin up the whiteboard. Okay. Okay. So number one, Paul decides to sell his chocolate bar at the local supermarket. He sells each 80 pence each, and ingredient cost £50. What's the minimum bars he must sell in order to start making profit? So ingredients, so the total ingredients, the cost 50. So 50 pounds, which equals 5,000 pence, and one of them costs 80. So you got to decide how many 80s go to 5,000. So 5,000 divided by 80. So you have how many 5,000 going to how many 80s going to 5,000? So let's do so 80 you can think about as 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 8 64 is too high. So 8 times 7 is 56 too high. So you can do 6. So that would be 6 times 8 is 480. So put here 480. 20 here. And how many 80 is going to 200? So roughly 2, because that's 160. 4. So he has to sell a minimum of 63 to make profit. So the answer is B, because 62 is over that. So you put the answer is wrong in the answer box. So right, it's a mistake. Okay, number 2. Michael bought 1 apple juice. So let's like these so we don't make mistake. 1 apple juice, 1 cheese sandwich, and 1 brownie. How much does he? So 1 apple juice, 105p. 1 cheese sandwich is 265, and 1 brownie is 279. If you add them up, 5 and 265, 279, 649 or £6, 649 or £6.49. So that's B. Okay. Number 3, Stella wants to buy one item of food and 1 drink. What is the least amount of money she can pay? 1 item of food and 1 item of drink. So, well, what's the smallest food? So it's either fries, cake, popcorn, boiled egg. So food's on the left. So the smallest price food is boiled egg, which is 95. And 1 drink. The smallest drink we have cost is tea, so 75. So 95 add 75 is £1.70. So number 3 is C. Okay, number 4, Lisa buys 1 item of food and drink. She pays £5 note and gets £1.35 change. So 500. Take away 135. So 365. So what can she buy for 365? Well, fries and shake. So if you had fries and shake, is going to be fries and shake is £2.50. So that is possible. Cake. So we'll put here. Okay. Cake and coffee. Cake is £2.85, and coffee that's £3.65. Yeah. So this will he's money left over. So four is B, three is three. So let's see. The cake is what 285, and coffee is 80. 365. And boiled egg. Um, yeah. So that'd be B. B's the answer. So because this is not this goes it's not enough. So 4B. Okay. So we've got here. So this is 5, 6. Oops. So I'm missing numbers here. Question numbers. Hopefully that should be fixed in the new edition of the book. So 5, 6, 7. Okay, William buys 6 pens. Each pen costs 56p, and he pays it for a £10 note. So 6 times. So let's do this one. 6 times 50p, 56p, £3.36, and then you do £10. 10 take away 336. £6.64, which gives you A. Number 6, Ella bought a toy for £4.24, and received 4 coins in change from a £5 note. What were the coins? So what do I for so do 500 take away 464. So that would be 36. How do you make 36 from 4 coins? Well, you can go for each one of these. 70 adds 6, say that's 76. That's not right. So we want to, okay, number 6. Okay, so right, so none of them adds up to 36. So I think there's a mistake here. This should be, I believe, this should be 10. Mistake of that. Okay, so the answer is A, but we have here B 10 in A. Okay, next one, number 7. How much change do I get from £20 if I bought one? If I bought 3 pens for £1.60, so 3 times 160. 480 there. And then 2 at 62p. 124. And a magazine, 450. So add all of that. So 480, add 124, add 450, 4, 5, carry 1, 0, 10, so 100, £10. Okay. How much change? So then you do 20, £20, 20.00, take away 1054. So that's going to be, 7 is going to be B, 946. But 54 add 46 makes 100. That's a quick way of doing it. So do that bit. Okay, let's move. Let's make this. Let's stand out so we can correct it. Okay, last one. 8. James has 5p and 13p stamps. He can make 36p with a total of 2 5p stamps and 2 13p stamps. How could he make the same total? So he total with 2 5p stamps, 2 13p stamps. Okay, the quickest way to do this is just go through the answers. So if you do 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times add 26 is that, so to eliminate that. 5 times 3 is 15, 13 times 4 is 54, I think that's that. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 add 26 is 36. So the answer is C. Okay, nice short video. So that concludes the revision questions for Manny. And so the most important thing to note is that you have to have good decimal skills, adding, subtracting decimals, and multiplying decimals, and with dividing decimals. So it's linked up to your decimals. So it's applying your decimal skills. Okay, and we'll leave it there, and we'll see you in the next lesson.